Nothing, sir.
Aha! Which one way you want, my brother?
No, sir. Sir, please, can you help me with 200 naira?
My brother, I just come out this morning. I never sell one banger. Eh? The only money were there inside my hand. Now 500 naira. And I want to use and go chop swallow.
Let's have it.
With a banger.
Sir, please, it's very important. I really need it, please.
From the look of things, you be like, say you really need that.
Very, very much, sir.
Hey, what's your name?
David.
David.
Yes, sir.
Oh. We rise by lifting orders.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Take. Come on, 200 naira, big 300 naira change for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Okay. Give me one cigar.
It's a small tube with one started banger.
Banger, banger for banger. Wine for my banger, dance for my banger.
Hello my people on the day, it's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So my people, this video will not be long because I do it deliberately. I try not to make it very long so that you guys can watch to the very end, you understand? Of course I know you guys will enjoy this video, so make sure to drop comments while watching, you feel me? And subscribe if you're yet to do that because it's very important. And above all guys, above all, please share this video so it can get to so many other persons, you feel me? So don't play guys, let's go have some fun.
Dr. Penis don't come again. Dr. Penis don't come again. And every time I come around, you know your pain is over. My brother, are you a man in this city?
Yes.
You asking I know the Greek cock well. Solution don't come. Now banger bitters.
We are in business.
If you drink this one, you don't get anything to worry about. You know if you make your liver poo.
This man.
If you get ham inside your body, all those yama ham, this one go come out the full ham.
We are in business now.
You don't get whether they drink ham. Presidents they drink ham.
Yeah.
Politicians they drink ham. Even musicians they drink ham. Now what make that small boy shout? Another banger. Take something where go make your Callmewhizzy stand well.
Nasboi, you know they're serious.
Nothing, sir.
Aha! Which one way you want, my brother?
No, sir. Sir, please, can you help me with 200 naira?
My brother, I just come out this morning. I never sell one banger. Eh? The only money were there inside my hand. Now 500 naira. And I want to use and go chop swallow.
Let's have it.
With a banger.
Sir, please, it's very important. I really need it, please.
From the look of things, you be like, say you really need that.
Very, very much, sir.
Hey, what's your name?
David.
David.
Yes, sir.
Oh. We rise by lifting orders.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Take.
We rise
Come on,
by
200
lifting
naira,
orders.
big 300 naira change for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
From the way that boy they sound, you will know that boy is a graduate. Eh? Look at how graduates they beg for 200 naira to chop. Common food. Chinedu, please do something where go make hunger stop. Please. Now beg we beg you.
Okay.
Chinedu pity these boys. Every day now it's a shameful decoy. Tomorrow if that boy die now, they go say waiting killer. Osa. Help us, sir.
Okay. Give me one cigar.
It's a small tube with one started banger.
Hey!
Banger, banger for
The banger where you carry for
my
there.
banger, dance for my banger. Banger for banger, dance to my banger.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
If now you were to watch this skit,
Hey!
what do you for do?
God! God! Wait till me this.
Make una no fear. No be gone.
Hey wait! Nabanga! You don't fire! Try this one.
No.
Nima?
Who there? I there. Good morning, officer.
Good morning, what happen?
I dey look for DPO.
You dey look for DPO? Tell me the matter, I go fit handle am.
Na DPO carry me come here.
CDP.
Sir, what's going on here? Young man, how are you?
I'm not fine.
What's the bone of contention? Talk to me.
I get one intelligent report where I carry come here. He get one woman where they do shine the beast for my compound.
You have evidence?
I have evidence. Evidence shook for body.
Mobilize, let's go. Move it, let's go.
Evidence choke for body. No, see now.
Look at that rasta. Officer, what did I do now? Why you want to arrest me?
Hey, young gentleman, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. This young man came to our station and reported you for child abuse and child molestation.
Officer, the man and my son.
Jesus.
This morning as we wake up, I said make him escort me go farm, make we go walk. I sit there for holiday. I don't come out this morning. I can't find him. I don't see him again. I don't know see the police go call for me. So me wait so far carry you for this belly for 9 months. This is how you will pay me back.
Come. Now, mama, be this.
No, mama.
And you came to report her because you said you're on holiday. You should go to the farm and work for what you will eat. Give him that cutlass now. I am wait. Your mother said go and work in the farm. Come on, move it. Everybody to the farm. Let's go. Let's go.
Brodda, child abuse.
Come on, they go now.
You will regret your life. You know what work.
Who be that boss lady who enter VIP? Everything about her so expensive. On a low key. Recording video with her iPhone 16. One big baller don't enter. He say, "Weather, tell that lady to come and see me. I am the biggest baller in Africa." The lady don't shock. Me, we still dey observe. The big baller don't para. He say, "Weather, escort 3 bottles of Matel to that lady. Money na water." The lady don't para. He say, "Manager, escort 7 caskets of Asu to that boy. 3 bottles each. To everyone in the club, the big baller don't run. No.
See, hold on for me. Almost there, okay?
That can't be the end.
I don't want to see Okoro Junior.
Look at this place.
No, not yet.
Okoro Junior, look at this place now.
Their Majesty, see the head. See the head.
That's it. Are you sure about this?
Oga, you took too long. I got this right in 2 minutes. Come over here.
Look, I'm here now. That's what's important. Let us switch. We'll get there faster.
I can see my baby's head. Come on here.
Okay, so now they showed up. Siren go come now. They will clap for Siren.
Maggie, you've proven your speed, space, and class. Now show these people so you get experience on me. Right now. Yo, hey, calm down. Calm down, my boy. Man, this is not about me. Please, help my wife. My wife, careful now, my wife, not be girlfriend, my wife. So, how much is the ride?
Excuse me, my brother. Now your brother drive that cab. The way you move that thing like an F1 driver.
You like him?
I'll die.
Now in drive, you know, with in drive, you get to pick the car based on space and class. The driver based on experience, but the speed now for local.
You're kidding.
I kid you.
We get man just right now. Life and death situation at Lekki. Let us go to my house. Stop that. We want him drive.
Why you don't look me? Me time to teach you.
Greatest Nigerian student.
Make me proud.
Since morning now you won't pay.
Honey.
Now you remember your destiny. Now it's not even meet you.
Oh, no.
That's tell on now. My strength is too much. My body is aluminium. My strength is too much. Watch now, go use head break this thing. I go punish you now. So if I die now, who can promote like us? You don't mad? Hey!
We go do justice for country. Funny James.
Bros, what's be number 1, sir?
Mitochondrial proportion.
Anaconda concussion.
Tell me she do abortion.
Azana. You know the horse.
What is this car doing here?
Will I climb back and
You go another. Is it me? No, it's not me that want to carry you and go out. You go another boat.
look at my gown.
This
now.
bike is going to enter your account. If you do like this and you enter inside now.
This bike. What's your problem?
Please climb this thing. Let's be going to that place. Is it you that want to go out or not? Okay, this is the one that you want to enter. No problem. Now enter it and go now.
The whole
Okay,
let's pay for it.
Who is going to pay for it?
Now
Is it
you
me
order
that want
now.
to enter inside?
I don't understand. Why are you doing this?
You enter inside boat, oh. Then me, I'm going to enter inside back. Then I'll go and pay for this thing. So me that climb this one.
You
I
know
don't
your
have
sense.
sense. Please stand on and
No,
let's be
wait
going. You are
now.
going to meet
You
me
said
there.
you want to surprise me. And I
This is the first surprise now.
Are you
surprise.
You don't go and be no go.
Babe, wait, I come and transfer this. I saw your boyfriend now. My boyfriend there. He's not at home. I saw him now. It's one girl. My boyfriend. Yes. It's one girl. Yes. Enter where? Oh my God.
What's the meaning of all this now?
I don't understand. I'm sorry.
You're not even changing the guy.
He told me my boyfriend was here with another woman. I'm sorry. You guys look so much alike.
What kind of embarrassment is this?
This is my boyfriend there. I'm sorry. I talk and say, you don't mean I'm my boyfriend. Like, this should be a man name.
See, when I want to comport well, what kind of nonsense with this now?
I'm sorry. I can hear you. Big.
Thank you so much. No wahala. When you first tell me I see and now you. I broke you sharp.
Babe, that was close though.
You paid me. You paid me. Something was telling me in my mind that I should not come here. You forced me down here.
Now listen, get up.
My bro, I supposed to show you love, but I crypto in my hand and I never trade.
No worry now, I get legit platform to trade. Yes now, trade with Josh. They are the best when it comes to trading all your cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, gift card, and all kinds of digital assets. They are very fast and reliable. All you need to do is just send them a message on WhatsApp. That kind of thing, give me their WhatsApp.
No, Shas, you take 2 goats now. Okay, don't change the clothes, man.
Babe.
Hey!
What are you doing here?
Babe, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think. But see that I'm sleeping now. Eh? Even hey, don't talk my baby.
Bro, they go house. Go meet your babe. Go meet asset. Leave liability.
Look at this guy now. What did I do?
Bro, I'm sorry for your loss. Now what you see, now they happen so. The only thing what I do for you now. Fill that form, register, and join us.
Get, you know. Brother will be proud of you. Brother will be proud of you. Yep, man, disgraceful man. You won't burn yourself.
Why
don't they come?
Jesus!
Don't run! Hey!
You won't burn yourself. They bring fire come, they run. Nobody but women after an argument.
I don't understand. Did I ask you to bring food for me? I didn't ask you to bring food for me. I beg, carry it. I don't want to eat. I'm not hungry. Carry the food.
Let's be on go one fight.
Women.
Nah, guy, babe, that guy saw me shaking. Nah, lie. Yes, now. I'm telling you the truth.
Hello.
Guy, leave that matter.
Oh, sorry. I was looking for.
I mean, I was like, he could have just done better. It was all weird because. Before your voice. Girl, relax. This is my voice. This is my tone. It's my, you know what I mean? Like, that's how I talk. What's wrong with you, girl?
Shotter, I can't wait to taste out of your dokunu for real.
Well, hold on. I'll let you eat, yeah?
Yeah.
But you should know that my heart and my mind is for my boyfriend.
What minute?
Yeah, for real.
What's going on here?
What? Hey, are you okay? What?
Wait till you come back for you.
Can I just have like 0.02% of your heart?
Okay, stand up.
Please just promise me I can have like 0.02% of your heart. I'm so heartbroken. Are you mad?
Okay, calm down. Sorry. I regret what I said. Just stand up.
You regret it?
Yeah, sorry.
How many percent of your heart can you give me?
We'll figure that out, but...
Can I just have 1%? Just tell me I can have 1%.
Do you know I'll let you eat, girl?
I know, but can I just have 1% of your heart?
Oh God.
What did they eat?
I cannot wait.
Allegedly.
Let me hold the lights. Baby girl, I can't wait to off your party. Please spread your legs like a butterfly. Let me jump on you. Oh my God.
I can't wait to off your butter.
Alpha chairman, they don't break. I beg me run my package. I want to go.
Okay. Baby girl, you calm down now. Eh? You don't deal with me for 2 days for this house. See, everywhere good for my side. Okay, more go downstairs and more take 1 or 2 tequila shots, more take guide now.
How do you like alcohol now?
Hey! Just more alcohol. Not only 1 or 2 shots now, go gather day now.
Yeah, maybe they go now.
I don't trust those guys.
You go faint. Body go tell you.
Jesus.
You be devil. No, can't you not get hurt?
People yourself suppose not say now whining you won't whine you.
Hey! I am boss on no kaketa.
Drink.
I get 5 into that.
And look at the calendar.
It is enough play.
Hola! That's the question. Oh, you're the university. You know the coin.
What's going on here?
Good morning.
Now, evening be this.
Be on mine.
You don't know this place. Look there. Now, here they dumped dead body last week. They come when you test that.
Jesus.
If you say your head strong, now why they not for use you? If I may advise you, you better run to the nearest church now. Go and do deliverance.
Jesus.
Another person.
Are you taking a piss? What's home play?
Jesus.
Why would you be saying on play on show?
Okay.
You want jump person when you're strong.
You for calm down now.
Shema, this is not today at a time now. We tell you take one wine. No go sweet you.
Now you go.
Me you drink for body. Me you give me make I drink for body. It's not my water now.
She held that.
What is that?
Yeah, they. Now you ask you then. Now so my ask me. Now why did they call you last time? You not drop the level for normal location now. You don't want me the problem now. Here my property. I was getting to that point. Now since yesterday they see trailer they park where they go move for this estate. So now you they park.
Body go tell you.
Me? Park? Azam now? But now your phone they take for estate gate.
Jesus! Child! Aguabira.
When the lecturer asks for his attendance. See how many person take class.
Guys, she gonna be on her phone. Look who's on this exam.
Alpha bro, what's the worry? I take class now. You know say we get exam. But that boosting of followers we talk about, now socially they run them. They boost any kind of platform, if not TikTok or YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, anything at all they boost them. If not likes you want, or shares, comments, views, anyone at all they boost them. If you also want to buy cheap data, they sell them. So let's go to their website now, www.socially.ng. Make yourself the backup.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, we are done with the exam. Okay, drop it there.
God have mercy upon us.
Let me that teacher. That my guy's brain. When you date a girl from the village, Oi, na really village girl you do. Na Rose now, Rose. Na romantic moment. Mumu carry from the super. Oh, you really village girl. That's what you want to tell me. This one a really village girl. Really village girl. You get they put rose for you for ground. It's just kind of you know, love scene. You know, all these people they do romantic stuff. People like me, you understand. Can't go the sweeper. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And like I always tell you, if you watch my video and you are yet to subscribe, man, you are missing out on something very big. You are missing out, you get. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime I drop these amazing videos, you get. So check out my other videos. There's so many of them. You see it will pop up on your screen. So go through those videos, watch them if you're yet to do that. Feel me, guys? So thanks for watching and see you in my next one, guys. Obrigado.